Hello learners, happy learning. Today we are going to see the stock exchange. These are the chapters and synopsis what we are going to discuss today. Stock exchange origin, meaning and definition we are going to see. Functions of stock exchange, features of stock exchange, benefits and limitations of stock exchange, stock exchanges in India, types of speculators, stock exchange versus a commodity exchange, recent development in stock exchange. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this video. Stock exchange, the meaning, stock exchange or otherwise is called stock market or share market, is one of the important constituent of capital market. Capital market, we know that long term securities are traded. Okay, so capital market is a market where the long term securities are traded. Stock exchange is an organized market for purchase and sale of industrial and financial securities. It is a convenient place where the trading in securities is conducted in a systematic manner. Stock exchange is an organized market for buying and selling of corporate and other securities. According to Hastings, stock exchange or security market comprises all the places where the buyer and the seller of stock and bonds or their representatives undertake a transaction involving the sale of securities. So it's a market comprise all the places where the buyer and the seller of stock and bonds or their representative undertake the transaction involves sale of securities. So it's called the stock exchange according to Hastings. But the Indian Security Contract Regulation Act of 1956 define stock exchange as an association of person, organization or a body of individual, whether incorporated or not, established for the purpose of assisting, regulating and controlling of business in buying, selling and dealing in the securities. It's called a stock exchange. Functions of stock exchange. So these are the functions of stock exchange. It provides a ready and a continuous market. It provides a ready and a continuous market for buying and selling of securities. It acts as a second-hand market, and it provides a correct evaluation of security. It provides the pricing for the shares or security traded in the market. It provides a correct value for the evaluation of the security held by the security holder or investor. It and also it protect the investors, that is SEBI and Security Exchange Board of India. It governs the stock exchange, so it protect the investors. And the next one is a proper channelization of capital. So stock exchange it acts as a barometer of a economic indicator. Therefore the investor can find out the best alternative channel for the investments, so that it operates, it provide a proper channelization of capital. Next one is the aid to capital formations. So for a country, it provide an aid for capital formation. Next one is the facility for speculation. So there are four type of speculator trading in the stock exchanges: bull, bear and lame duck. The next one is the stag. So there are four different type of speculators. So this stock exchange provide a facility for speculation. And next one is the seasonal securities. Seasonal securities, it provides an opportunity for floating seasoning of securities. So these are the features of stock exchange. Market for securities, deals with second-hand securities, regulate the trade in the security, allow the dealing only in the listed security. Listed, it means the company want to sell its security in the stock market, then a company has to list the company name in the official list maintained by the stock exchange. Okay, the process of registering the official list maintained by the stock exchange is called listing. Okay, for the purpose of listing, the company has to submit its prospectus, memorandum of association, articles of association, directors report and company's annual report. So they have to submit this 6 necessary document to the stock exchange. After verification of these documents, the stock exchange permit to enroll the company name in the official list maintained by the stock exchange. It is called the listing. And the next function is the transactional affected only through members, only through the brokers. Okay, the stock exchange transactions are affected. And it is a association of persons. Stock exchange is a association of person and recognized from the central government and working as per the rules of Security Exchange Board of India, and it operate only in the specific locations of it operate. There are 23 regional stock exchanges in India, but nowadays only 2 stock exchanges are operates. One is the National Stock Exchange, another one is the Bombay Stock Exchanges. And it acts as a financial barometer. It acts as a financial barometer. It means it indicate the growth of that particular country's economy in terms of stock exchange indices, stock market index, stock index. That is in India we are following a Sensex and index. Okay, in Bombay Stock Exchange we are using a Sensex. In a National Stock Exchange we are using a index. So benefits of a stock exchange. Benefit, there are benefits. That is a benefit to the community. It provides economic development. It raising the funding for a platform. It acts as a tool to divert the resources. It acts as a capital formation of funder and a fundraiser for the government. These are the benefits of the stock exchanges, and these are the benefits provided to the community. And the next is the benefit to the company. It enhances a goodwill or reputation for the company. Once the company is listed in the stock exchanges, it will increase the reputation of that particular company and provides a wider market for floating of companies the shares. And it used for a raise a huge fund for the particular company and increases the bargaining strength for the company. For the investor, it provides immediate liquidity to the investor, and it acts as a collateral value for the securities. Stock exchanges, it provides the value of shares, the market value of shares is adding for collateral value for the security, and it would provide protect the investors growth. Okay, the next one is assess the real worth of the securities. Day by day and fraction of time, the stock market floats the price of the shares. So it used to assess the real worth of the securities, and it's a mechanism to trade the securities. So these are the limitations of stock exchanges. One is a lack of uniformity and the control of stock exchanges. Next one is the absence of restriction on membership of a stock exchange, failure to control unhealthy speculations. It allows more than one charge in the places, non-insistence of a margin requirement in stock exchange, or in the case of a producer exchanges, no proper regulations of listing of security on stock exchange. These are the general limitations of the stock exchanges. So these are the regional stock exchanges in India. It's operated on those period, but nowadays these are not operating. So purely it's inoperative. The operative stock exchange there are 2 stock exchanges. One is National Stock Exchange, NSE, and Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. These 2 stock exchanges are nowadays actively engaged in the transactions or trading the stock exchanges. Thank you, students.